Good mornings, my lovelies and lads. Happy New Year. Here we are, right smack dab in the middle of the beginning of 2018. And I want you to know that when I said I was serious about making 2018 a difference, I meant it. I'm serious about it. And I'm launched, focused, not just for myself, but for all of my clients and for all of you, wanting everybody to be successful with whatever it is that they want to do, whatever they dream to, whatever it is they desire to do in 2018. And so, with that being said, I want to announce the launching of Beautiful Dreamers, my dream manifestation project. This is a project where I want to bond, connect, unite, and bring together the community of entrepreneurs that are out there, especially those in the areas of transformation, spirituality, new age, holistic, all of that gooey, wonderful stuff. And so here I am, emotions. This was hard to do. It took me a little longer to get ready for this specific webcast because you may notice that I am all natural. So it's first thing in the morning. I've got my dream jammies on. I am in my dream room. I call it my dream room. I do a lot of my broadcasts here. I've got my beautiful crystals. I've got my beautiful dream colors. But most important, I have a freshly washed face with no makeup on it. And why do I have a freshly washed face with no makeup on it? Because the first thing I want to do is talk about beautiful. Sometimes we don't feel very beautiful. I will admit, I got to be glamorous looking to feel good about myself. And so coming to you in this broadcast was a challenge for me, but I was very inspired by the speech of Oprah Winfrey, and I remember her most powerful moments were when she let us see who she was on the inside. So that's one piece. So stepping out of my shell, um, and being transparent. The other thing is, I want to start with skin because what's on the outside is going to help you create what you are, but you got to be cool on the inside. You got to be cool with yourself on the inside. You got to feel good about yourself. So I'm looking for powerful dreamers that deal with beauty. This is what I'm going to do. I am inviting anyone out there who has a skincare product, who has makeup, who has anything that has to do with beauty that they want to get out there and take their dream to the next level. I'm inviting you to play with my dream manifestation project. You can post on my Facebook page, you can join the group. At the end of the day, I'm going to select five, 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 five. I'm going to select five finalists. Those finalists are going to be invited to present in a series of videos to my thousands of connected community members what your brand is, what your product is. And the winner, the person who gets the most feedback, the person who gets the most likes, the person who engages the best with the community, I am going to scholarship into one of my approaching programs. I'm excited to do this because I'm always looking for ways to give back. And I feel that this is a really awesome way to give back, to give one of you guys an opportunity to get more um, mentoring, more exposure, and to help you out and get a little glamour out there for anyone who needs it. I don't care who you are, if it's your brand, that's even more amazing. So I will take the network marketing brands. I'm not particular about that because that is an entrepreneur business. I'm really excited to see my Mary Kay ladies and my Arbonne ladies and my doTERRA ladies out there with their skincare and their products. But I'm also very excited for those people who are out there creating their own juice. So create your messages. The link's going to be on there with the post. You are invited to come in and present your stuff, as many people as possible. Give me some tips. Give me some updates if you so choose, because it's all about the beauty and staying happy and staying free of anything that's going to block you, because I want to hack those blocks. And we'll start with how you feel about yourself, both inside and out. So, beautiful dreamers, challenge number 1, 2018, give us the beauty. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You are a go. Have a happy morning. Man, I needed that.